Setting up your JungleScout account is easier than you might think. And in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're new to Amazon selling or looking to optimize your process, JungleScout is one of the best tools to help you find profitable products, track your sales, and scale your business. First, head over to the official JungleScout website through the link in the description. You'll find an exclusive offer that gives you free access to the software with some added bonuses, so don't miss out on that. Once you're on the site, click Get Started to create an account. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and choose a password. Simple enough, right? After that, check your inbox for a confirmation email and click the link to verify your account. This is an important step. Without it, you won't be able to fully access your JungleScout account. Now that your account is activated, you'll be asked to choose a subscription plan. JungleScout offers a variety of options, from basic to more advanced plans, depending on your needs. If you're just starting, you can try the software with a free trial, which allows you to explore a number of features without any commitment. Once you're inside, take a look at the dashboard. You'll notice a simple layout that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. On the left side, you'll see the main tools: product database, keyword scout, supplier database, and others. The product database is the heart of JungleScout and where you'll spend a lot of time. Here, you can search for products based on filters like category, price, rating, and more. To set up your first product research session, click on Product Database and start applying filters to find your next profitable product. You'll want to narrow your search based on the type of products you're interested in selling. JungleScout helps you identify trends, sales data, and potential competition so you can make data-driven decisions. Next, let's dive into Keyword Scout. This is one of the most powerful tools in JungleScout, and it helps you find the best keywords to target for your product listings. Simply enter a keyword related to your product, and it will generate relevant keyword suggestions along with search volume, competition, and trend data. Now that you're familiar with the tools, it's time to set up your sales tracking. JungleScout's Sales Analytics tool allows you to track your sales, costs, and profits in real time. By syncing your Amazon account with JungleScout, you can automatically pull in all your sales data, giving you a clear picture of your financial performance. If you're interested in finding suppliers, you can also use the Supplier Database tool. This feature lets you search for suppliers by location, product type, and more. It's a great way to find reliable manufacturers to source your products from. Before you dive deeper into all the features, don't forget to customize your settings in your account preferences. This is where you can adjust things like your notifications, integrations, and more to ensure that everything works the way you want it to. One last thing before we wrap up. If you're serious about scaling your Amazon business, JungleScout's Academy offers valuable courses and resources to help you get the most out of the software. Remember, if you want to try JungleScout for free with exclusive bonuses, make sure to check the link below. Setting up your account is just the beginning. Dive into the software and start making data-driven decisions to take your business to the next level.